Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a favorite summer treat, and that is corn on the cob. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our corn on the cob, we're actually going to begin towards the top here, and we're actually going to make the butter first. So we want to make a small rectangle on here. So I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come up, over, and then down. Then we'll just go ahead and connect it. Next, I'm going to make a line that comes out on each side. And then I'm just going to make kind of like this wavy line to connect it. So it looks like the butter's kind of melting. Next, starting here, I'm going to make some bumps. So I'm just going to make a few little bumps on this side, and then a few little bumps on this side. Then I'm going to go down, and then straight down like this. Then let's make some more bumps all the way across. So I'm going to make some bumps that go right across here, and then connect to the other side. Now, right here, I want to make a little line that goes out, down, and in. And then same thing here. We're going to go out, we're going to go down, and then in. And then let's make a little line that's going to curve out, and then come back for like a little corn holder. Same thing here. We're going to go out, and then come back here. Now, let's make a little face on here. I'm going to draw a circle for one of the eyes. Then I'll leave some space, and I'll make another circle over here. I'm going to put a smaller circle inside of each one. And I'm going to color that in, leaving just a tiny bit white. So same thing here, just going to color most of that in, leaving just a tiny bit white. I'll make a line across for the mouth, and then a big smiley face shape. Make a line across for some teeth, and then a curve for a tongue. Next, what we want to do is we want to connect some of these lines, and we want to make them look a little bit bumpy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make some bumpy lines that just kind of go across. And I'm just going to kind of bring these up a little bit. So we're just kind of making them go up and down, just kind of bumpy. And then I'm going to make some little lines, like little bumpy lines that just kind of connect in different spots. Just to kind of make it look like there's lots of kernels of corn on here. So we're just going to kind of make these little spots connect. And you can kind of do these all over. You don't have to make it look perfect or anything. And there you go. There is your drawing of some corn on the cob. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.